welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the volunteer application like stamping book in Heartopia, and it's for the underwater expedition prep. So just go to the central square and you'll be met with like a cutscene. Once you're done, you're just going to talk to Annie, and once you are done, you'll meet a new NPC which is called Rory. I think she is Annie's sister. I didn't really pay attention to the cutscene, to be honest. But once you're done, I think you'll talk to Atara and you'll be given the application form, which is the like stamping book from him. And you can start collecting your stamps once you have gotten the like book, the forms basically. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!